Welcome to Repair Order Intelligence. Completing your repair order study at repairorderintelligence.com is designed to guide you through your service process. Step 1. Create account. Register on repairorderintelligence.com to begin. Step 2. Submit business listing. Provide your business details for the study. Step 3. Receive Etsy purchase link. Check your email for a link to buy the digital PDF product. Step 4. Complete digital purchase. Securely purchase the standard processing fee. Step 5. Receive completed study. Your comprehensive analysis is sent via email. We offer 3 packages to fit your needs. Light analysis, $187 with a 32-hour turnaround. Medium analysis, $300 with a 72-hour turnaround. And in-depth analysis, $525 with a 5-working-day turnaround. Visit repairorderintelligence.com to learn more, view our FAQ, or contact support. Repair Order Intelligence, data-driven service intelligence.